Hello Prime Coders, welcome back to Prime Coding channel. I am Aditya Mishra and in this particular video, I will be talking about Cognizant logo confusion. Yes, recently I uploaded a video and there people got tons of requests that I don't have received mails. Can you tell me about that? Cognizant logo confusion, what is that? Whether it should has, if your mail has a Cognizant logo, is that you are 100% sure that you're gonna shortlist it, or if it is not, it means that you're 100% sure that you will be getting rejected. Okay, so superset interview notification, I will talk about that. 11th May real interview experience. 25th May April technical assessment, no mails. Okay, the condition I will also discuss because tons of people require that about the mail's status, whether this mail status makes sense, how many days they need to wait or how many days they need to give chance to Cognizant, isn't it? So we'll discuss most of the thing in this particular video. And yes, if you got the DA communication something in a particular manner, how you can crack it, it has resources as well. So this video would be one shot. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing it. We are very near to 50k and it will help us to grow the community, so please do subscribe. Okay, so important, which is Cognizant your interviews are completed. Okay, so what is this, Aditya? You can see we have two kind of mails. First is this and another is nothing, we don't have anything. Okay, now some people say that if in your mail there is no logo, which means that you will not get shortlisted. 100% they say that you will not get shortlisted. But the people who have logo in their mail, then it is 100% that you will be shortlisted for sure. Okay, so these two is the biggest controversy, I would say, in between them, whether we should have logo, whether we should not have logo. I should say that in the interviews which has happened in August to November, I believe, this thing was on trend. And yes, most of the people said that if you have logo, there are high chances that you will get shortlisted. It is not 100%, but there are high chances that you will get shortlisted. But right after November, January, February, March, April, May, still it shows that if you have logo, you will get shortlisted. Now you are one of them. If you got logo and you got shortlisted, comment down below. Okay, you got logo, let people like your comment so that most of the people will know, yes, if it is liked, which means yes, if you have logo, you will get shortlisted. But if you don't have, you will not get shortlisted. So what I will say is, nowadays, okay, in this current time, which is current phase, this particular May, which is May month, exams, interviews, most of the people who I know, like the mock interview which we took, so I asked, most of them got the logo in their mail. Now few people, we also know that their communication is not good. It is very hard to crack Cognizant interview by them, but still they received the logos. Now I will do let you know in the comment section below. I will pin that message because we put those people on the radar, and if they got shortlisted, which means if logo is there, then definitely you will gonna shortlist it. But if you ask me, I won't say that because my team has researched few people, like wherever we can reach out. Some people don't get anything in their mails like logos and stuff. There were only written things, which is your interview is done in Cognizant off campus, high 2024 engineering. So yes, you are shortlisted. And these people also get the offer letter right after the interview process. Okay. So please don't be scattered if you don't have logos. If you believe that your interview went very well, you don't need to worry about. You just need to stick to whatever you are doing and get another company on the timeline. Okay, so let's talk about the superset notification. So interview dates was started from 10th May, and the tragic part is no one knows when they will get their interview. They will just tell you that there is a time slot from the A time to B time, and in between any time you may get the interview call from the interviewer. Okay, so you need to sit on the laptop itself. But the date is also not finalized. We also saw that people book mock interview but still not able to take the mock interview in the very good time because we have an option of rescheduling. People can ask us to reschedule the session. So we do that and it is going on the top. Many people are rescheduling it because Cognizant is totally unpredictable. It may be you booked mock interview today and your interview is tomorrow itself. Some people book mock interview today and they took mock interview on 12 a.m. p.m. I would say in the afternoon, and right after 2 p.m. they have their interview. See how uncertain interviews are going on. So I would request you to be prepared for every instance. If you think that you have good amount of time, you recently wrote your technical assessment, have your sessions so that you will be fully packed. At least 1 to 2 days if you have in your hand, take it, have 1 day pause, because our experts will let you know. Okay, I will talk about that in the brief, but okay, still these are the things, because we know that what type of question you want to get, and experts are totally trained on those questions. So few students are getting mails just few hours before the scheduled time, and this is the same thing which I spoke in my recent video. Yes, I do accept that few of the things got messed out in that video. I believe that is cut down because of some noise issues, but still I am creating this video in a very brief so that no most update or most important update will lose by you. Okay, so what should you do? Check your email often. Don't forget the spam and junk folder. Look for email from notification at email.joinsuperset.com. Log into your Superset account regularly to stay updated. Okay, so you can do this. But what I observe, whom we mentored personally, that right after giving communication, they got aptitude round. Right after writing aptitude round, they got technical assessment. Okay, or some people get after 8 or 10 hours as well. And I'm not aware for a day, like people got the notification after a day as well. If you're one of them who got the notification after a day of writing communication aptitude or technical something, you can comment down below so that your peers will get to know about it. So interview dates are out. I can say that it is currently going on. Okay, so for students whose technical rounds were on 15th on 16th April, many students have received their interview dates. If you haven't received the interview date yet, kindly wait for a few more days, as it is getting scheduled in phases. If even after few days you don't receive the date, then there is a chance that you are rejected. Okay, so I hope if you have not received any mails and it's been more than a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, then forget about this opportunity, move ahead. Interviews are mostly being scheduled in online mode this time, because in February and March, people were going in the company to appear for their examination. Okay, but you guys are totally lucky. If you got the interview opportunity, it will be in online mode. So for students whose technical rounds were on 25th or 26th, please be patient, be patient. Few students have got the date, but many of them doesn't. So your interview dates will be shared soon. The process is ongoing and updates will be provided accordingly. Be prepared. If just subscribe the channel, I will be posting about the time, dates and everything. Okay, so if you got the interview date and you don't know what to study, watch this particular video, because it states that it is a complete guide, and 100% that if you are not prepared, after watching this, you gonna be prepared and no one can stop you to have opportunity in your hand. Mark my words. Just study from here, make a note of it, and do let me know in the comment section that question or topic was repeated or not. Very clear? And the topics which are most important here is resume section, project section, OOPS, DBMS, SQL, DSA, OSCN, and HR questions. Now nowadays they are just tweaking the HR questions. I will be sharing you interview experience as well. But before going to it, as I spoke, it is an in-depth technical mock interview which will be taken by the real experts who crack tons of companies in their on-campus placements. So HR and managerial prep, HR and managerial question would be asked you in the session itself. Okay, full interview simulation. It will be full, actual, one-to-one. It can be more than 90 minutes to 100 minutes. We doesn't care. Our main motto is to give all the necessary feedback with all the necessary potential doubts solving sessions. Multiple things, yeah, even the resume review, mock interview, resume review, guidance, doubt solving, and mentorship. Tons of things will be provided you in this particular mock interview. That's why we don't care about the time. And at this price point, it is very hard to provide. So please have it, because we have more than 95% of success. Right after your session, if you ask the mentor that, yes, am I able to crack, or will I be able to crack the upcoming companies? If mentor say yes, no one can stop you to have the opportunity. Clear? So resume review would be there, that they will tell you about how to improve your resume. Personalized feedback and expert guidance would be given to you there in that particular session. Done and dusted, and it is totally live. For booking it, please go on www.primebody.in, go to mock interview, have mock interview with us, and you will remember for forever. Okay, because recently I went in Cognizant, I found tons of people who are from Prime Coding itself. They took mock interview, they studied our given resources, notes and stuff, and they are working in it. So I can say that trust us and make your career bright. Okay. So required document. Most of the people do sit in the examination, but they don't know what to can take it. So updated resume, government ID, it is required for your technical assessment, your communication assessment, and many more assessments that Cognizant conducts. Okay, 10th, 12th mark sheet if have certificate and project links, GitLab or GitHub and LinkedIn resume. Okay, so that will work as a charm. So 11th May real interview experience, which is for Gen Z role. That is important, isn't it? So intro, cluster specific question. His cluster was from Java, so definitely Java portion would be there. Implementation of method overriding. See, Cognizant is more likely to ask you the implementation of the OOPS concept, so you should able to create those. Create table and find second highest salary. It is good. About constraints and primary keys, very easy. Views, SQL, palindrome code, second largest in an array, merge sort logic, basic HR question, no questions from the project. Interview duration is 45 minutes. So you can take screenshot of this, prepare it, and now I will gonna start the interview series. Okay, interview series in the sense the interview experiences. Okay, I have tons of people with me. They've gone through tons of interview experiences. They've gone through tons of interviews. So we are slowly gathering up all the questions and I will be posting it. So if you are interested to go through all of the interview topics or whatever questions are coming up in the actual interview, do comment down below. Yes, we are looking for, and subscribe to our channel, like this video, and I will meet you with a new video soon. Until then, take care.